We've got an awesome new listing coming to the market. That's right, and it's sitting on an 80-foot lot in an exclusive community. Literally, there's one way in and out of this place. And it's got just about 5,000 square feet of living space. It's got the backyard of your dreams. And you're seeing double right now because we are double excited for this listing. This can all be yours. All right, I know you guys love this property and probably don't want to wait until it gets on MLS because everything's going to go crazy then. We're going to give you some exclusive access. My contact information is going to be on the screen right now, so contact me. I'd love to walk you guys through it.